Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial series on the Zoho CRM. Zoho is a company which specialization in making of business softwares which you can use to manage your business. And one of the better softwares that they have is called Zoho CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's basically for dealing with your customers and the vendors and all the people, your clients, and everybody with whom you will be interacting on a day-to-day basis to conduct your business. Okay, so customer is not only confined to the guys who are purchasing from you. You can also add people who are helping you to grow your business, like your partners and your vendors and everybody. So CRM is all about customer relationship management. So we'll go ahead and learn a little bit about CRM before we move into the Zoho CRM. So just know that Zoho CRM is software as a service which is delivered over the cloud. That is, you can access it from any place in the world over the internet. So you don't really have to install anything, though apps are available for your phone and tabs. You can access it directly from any web browser through your tab and phone and everything. So let's go ahead and let's learn a little bit about CRM and what it is, what exactly a CRM does. And once we have understood that, we are going to move in and learn a little bit about the features of Zoho CRM. And then later on, we'll learn a little bit about pricing structure and user types and all. And from there, we will gradually move into the software. So first, let's go ahead and let's learn what this CRM business is all about, right? So I'll just go over to a small slide that we have done, and I'll go at full screen. Basically, CRM is a customer relationship management software. Okay, so it's all about managing your relation with the customer. Now, the customer can be a multifold aspect. Okay, a customer, as I said, can be a vendor. A customer can be a guy who's purchasing from you. A customer can be your partner from the software perspective. So at one end are the users who are using the software to keep track of the people they are dealing with. And the people are basically the customers you are buying from, the vendors the customers you are selling to, the vendors you are actually buying from, and your partners who are actually help you to grow your business. Okay. Now, when we are talking about CRM softwares in a generic term, in a generic way, there are four main features that we are looking at inside a CRM. Okay, so the first one is marketing automation. Then what we have is the sales flow automation. Then we have the contact center automation, and the last one is service automation. Okay, so now let's learn a bit what exactly we are meaning by marketing automation. Okay, so when we are talking about marketing automation, it means marketing happens in a lot of ways. Okay, so we do email campaigns, and we also do SMS campaigns. We do social media campaigns. We do direct mail campaigns. We do telephone campaigns. A lot of kind of campaigns happen, and effectively, many of it can actually be automated, like in case of social media campaigns also, or in the case of email campaigning especially, you can program all this, right? So that you can have these templates ready and you can shoot the mails to people in an automated way. And when people get in touch, once you have managed to reach out to a good number of people via various marketing channels, the people start responding, right? So once these leads come in and they give in some inquiry, so you can again have autoresponders to them. So by the time you're actually dealing with their support query or inquiry, you can already shoot more marketing materials to them. So this overall thing can actually be done in an automated way, and it's called marketing automation. So a CRM, ideally speaking, should always have some elements of the marketing automation, right? Now, so That is one aspect of CRM that should be there. That is, it has to have some kind of marketing elements in it. Okay. The next important feature of a CRM is the Salesforce automation. Now, when we are talking about Salesforce automation, we are talking about leads coming in. Okay, so the leads are coming in via many a channel. That leads might come in by a direct walk-in to a store. A lead can come in via inquiry email. A lead can come in via a telephone call made by the customer. It can come in via text message sent by the customer. It can come in via the social media. It can come in by any web form that we have put up. It can come in via online advertising or television advertising or even radio advertising, right? So it's quite natural. Or it can also come in from our sales rep who has actually made the calls, made the visits. So whenever these leads are coming in, all these leads have to be need to have data associated with them, like who is the customer, what's his name, what's his contact number, what's his address, what's his budget, etc. So all these leads come in from various channels and get stored in a central place. Okay, so that's another aspect of the CRM is Salesforce automation, where the leads are coming in, and then all the service personnel at our end, all the salesmen at our end are able to have a look at these leads. Okay, and the leads are getting divided in between teams, in between salespeople. The admins are doing that, and sometimes you can also automate that this amount of leads will go to them, this amount of leads will go to him. Leads from this particular source will be handled by this person, leads from that particular source will be handled by that person. So at one end, multiple leads are coming in from multiple channels. At the other end, our team, our backend team at the CRM end in the sales interface, we are delegating the leads to various salespeople or various people who are dealing with these leads. Okay, so overall, this networking of the leads and our people, and automatically data is getting cross-checked so that we don't, that the same, like two salespeople are not following the same lead. So that also gets automatically deleted. So everyone has their own individual leads. So this whole automation process is another feature of CRM. So we have one marketing automation, then we have the Salesforce automation, right? So now the next feature of CRM that should always be there is called the contact center automation. Okay, contact center automation is a point of contact of the customer with the company, with our company. Okay, so the contact center is basically a service center where we are dealing with customer inquiries, we are dealing with customer support, either by the social media channels or the email channel or by telephone support or by ticketing support, ticketing interfaces.